If I told you things I did before, told you how I used to be, would you go along with someone like me? If I tell my story word for word, tell you how I used to be, would you go along with someone like me? And we don't care about the young folks talking about the young style, and we don't care about the old folks talking about the old style too. And we don't care about our own folks talking about our own style. All we care about is talking just me and you, talking just me. Hey, I'm Vasco, and today I'll show you how I'm playing Young Folks by Peter, Bjorn and John without a comma. I'll show you how I'm doing it in the original key on a high G string ukulele. So grab yours and let's go. This song is proving that it's not really necessary to have plenty of chords and very complicated stuff to make a good song. This is absolutely simple. So we start with the chord of F, all right? Then the chord of D, then the chord of C, and the chord of A minor. These are the only 4 chords that we need, but we change the order a little bit. So the first time we're doing it in the main part, they're in this order, and after that the second time it changes a little bit. We go F to D minor and 2 times A minor, all right? So. Okay, and the strumming pattern I'm doing is something like down, up, down, 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 down, up, down. But of course it's not really necessary to follow it exactly like this, because actually in the song there is no guitar, it's just the bass and the drums and the percussions and the whistling, of course. So feel free to do whatever you want for the strumming pattern. Okay, and when we get to the chorus, things get even easier. We just hold F 2 times to C 2 times. And we're repeating this 3 times. And we don't care about the old folks talking about the old style too. All right? 3rd time, we don't care about our own folks talk about our own style. And now on the 4th time, we only care about talking D minor to A minor twice, okay? And that's maybe the trickiest part, and getting back to all right, I guess this sums it up pretty much. It's not so cold here, although it looks very cold, but still, I gotta go. Bye, see you on the next one.